JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So a big question I'm getting is, do the self-employed qualify for the employee retention tax credit? The simple answer is no, because the self-employed don't pay themselves wages. They're actually not allowed to. They don't file a Form 941 on their compensation because it is self-employed. So because they're not an employee, they don't pay themselves a W-2. They don't file a Form 941 on their compensation. They do not qualify. Employee retention tax credit is something that is only on wages to employees. So the self-employed that have employees, those employees could make, in essence, a qualifying situation for the self-employed, but it would only be on the wages of the employees of that self-employed individual. Let's be clear on this. You have a self-employed individual. Whatever they make doesn't qualify. They have an employee that can qualify. Now, what about the spouse of a self-employed that is an employee of the self-employed? So you have a Schedule C filer. They pay their spouse a W-2 wage. Well, here's how it works. If they do not have a living relative, that self-employed individual, then yes, the wages to the spouse would qualify. However, if the self-employed has any living relatives, then the wages to the spouse do not qualify. Now, if you have employees, check out my seminar. If you're a tax pro helping others, I hope you do the same. Thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Have a great one. American CPA. CPA. KK.